Hi, sa wakas natapos din ang aking blood test at, ang aking, sample sa ano ko mga guys at naibigay ko na din para tignan nila kung saan nanggagaling ang aking allergy. At diretso na din kami sa Northumberland Castle para mamasyal. Buti na lang maaraw ngayon, masakit ang ano ng araw ngayon kasi 21 degrees sa labas. Kaya tara guys, pasyal tayo kasi medyo mahaba-haba pa ang aming lalakbayin.
The River Coit.
Oh.
So, come back here on the way and we'll have a look around.
Yeah. Punta kami sa castle, ipasyal yung mga bata. We are going to see the castle. What I said before, I don't want to go in the castle. Yeah, because this is before. Ang gaganda ng mga mga kahoy, mga puno. Yung mga bahay nila puro bato. It's stone, it's not bricks, the houses.
Yes, stone.
Yeah.
There's some of them are bricks, some of them are stone.
Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga flowers, yellow.
There's a big fluffy dog.
Look at that dog, oh my god.
Big bum. Got a big bottom.
Tignan nyo guys yung mga bahay nila dito, puro stone, hindi bricks. Bihira lang ang yung may bahay na bricks ang nilalagay British nila. flag, Pero ito karamihan ng
Your
dito,
British
mga
flag.
stone siya nung unang panahon pa daw ito mga guys.
Ha?
We
Naipatayo.
have two flags. We
Hanggang
have a
ngayon,
British.
okay
We have
pa
the
rin siya.
Union Jack, which is that one.
Tingnan nyo guys,
we have
ang
the St. George
ganda
flag.
ng pagkagawa.
And then that. Marami palang mga pwedeng bilihin dito. Buti na lang, dinala ko yung
Turn right onto Finkel Street.
Turn
There
right
is-
onto Finkel Street. I don't think it's going to let us turn right onto Finkel Street.
Summer na dito sa UK. Kasi naka-short na sila, hindi na sila naka-jacket. Padpadan ni ko diyan na. Di amok ga ko nga ay apo di nga maasyan di bagina permimat nga nakalukluk magan. Diyos ko, ayun, nalukmaga ko na ngayon, nakakaruda pa yan. Ayan na mga guys. Nakarating din kami sa castle na Northumberland. Ayan o. Ayan na ang ang castle. Dito na lang kami mag-park mga guys kasi walang parkingan dun sa taas. Ayan. Yung dalawa. Pupunta na kami sa castle. Say hi. Iris.
Hi.
Wala, what is that? Hi, you are not looking.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, careful. Yan naman si your mustache. Hindi nag-shave. Nakalayo na sila. At datuyak may laang. Diyan pala kagkagudwa ko. Agal-alala ko. Diyos ko, nagngataw. Yun eh. Sus, nagngataw. Urayan naknagi agaman. Sus ako. Awanan. Nagmayat ni naglawa. Ang ganda. Dito yung entrance. Ayan. Akala ko walang bayad, may bayad bala. 61 pounds ang family. Ang mahal. Yan o, admission. Ticket sale. Yan. Tinatanong kung magkaiba kami ng apelyido, pero sabi ng asawa ko, hindi. Pagkain na naman ang bumungad.
Oh, missed the dragon. We'll have to come back. Oh no.
4 p.m.
Until 4:30 p.m. And we can watch Salt Making. Dragon's Quest. Where's the Dragon's Quest then?
Ikaw na rin, Stewart.
Body sound like
May mga kumakain. Look at that. Mayat, di ka. What's that? What he said?
broomsticks coming through. He's hungry.
Yan o. Ang ganda. Mga guys. Yan yung castle. Yan. Diyan kami galing. Ginagawa pa siya o renovate natin ito. Pupunta kami doon sa may doon sa may tawag doon sa may canyon, may mga guns. Tapos ang daming mga doon guys ang daming mga baka. Ang ganda ang ganda lang Ano kaya yung Barbican na yan? Yan. Punta kami dito. Tapos kami pupunta doon. May old sila yung kaya to?
Fuzzy wuzzy.
I don't know.
The oldest building, so health and safety don't run on the spirals day.
Stand up there, Alice. Why?
We ironically go from King Charles II to King Charles III. There's a big gap between those two.
Our giant man, 350 years of history. 1674.
Putting in traffic lights wouldn't work. Eames wouldn't be able to go around the corner. Unless you've been noisy.
Ang ganda. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung history nila mga guys. Basta panoorin nyo na lang. Ayan. Museum ng Northumberland. Medals. Mga badge.
That's a spike. That's what you used to fight with. Close quarters. And punch him in the head with that spike.
So he did that.
Oh, we're not getting toys, Stuart.
This is the oldest building. There has been a castle since 1096-99, but those buildings were originally wood. We survived that because we're in the corner. This is built in the 50s as a what?
Ng boats nila dati. Helmets. Tapos yan yung nila, spoon. Tapos ayan
When you come back down, you want something else.
Tapos meron din yung binocular at yung kabaunan ng tubig. Daanan nila ang nakakalula. Ano? Grabe. The Fallen. In our hearts. May ano pa sila, buhay pa yung ano. Fire, ano nila. Ayan. The dog have medals.
I think he did safe.
That is the king.
Yeah, nope. General
A general.
Sir Charles Pratt. 10th of.
Wait, what's this?
In our other culture.
Very cool. It's walked down.
Dami na yung medal, oh.
It's like his posh uniform attire.
Dad, I want to buy the tank.
We're not buying tanks. We're not getting anything from here.
Ayan, oh, may ano sila.
I just spent a fortune on them. We're not.
I want to go downstairs.
We need to go for the I'll be outside with you.
Okay. Ang ganda.
Go down. I want to watch the guns.
Yeah, we'll go down and see them. Come on, I'll take you down to see the guns. Come on. Me and you'll go see the guns.